In this video, I'm going to show you how to import saved passwords from a CSV file in Firefox quickly and easily. This is a super useful method if you're moving passwords from another browser, restoring exported login details, or just organizing your accounts in one place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to complete the import without confusion. If this guide helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the menu button. This is the icon with 3 horizontal lines. Clicking it opens the main Firefox menu, where you can access a wide range of browser tools and settings. From the menu, click Passwords. This will open Firefox built-in password manager, where all of your saved logins are stored. If you've never been here before, don't worry. The layout is straightforward, and everything you need for importing passwords is available from this page. Now, in the top right corner of the passwords page, click the 3 dots, which is the More Options menu. This menu contains extra actions related to managing your saved credentials. When the menu opens, select Import from a file. This tells Firefox that you want to bring in passwords from an external CSV file rather than entering them manually one by one. At this point, a file picker window will appear. Now you need to locate the CSV file that contains your saved passwords. Browse to the folder where the file is stored, click on the CSV file to select it, and then click Open. Firefox will begin importing the passwords from that file into your saved logins. Once the import is finished, your passwords should now be available inside Firefox's password manager. You can scroll through the list or search for a specific website to confirm that the accounts were added correctly. If everything imported properly, you're all set. And that's how you import saved passwords from a CSV file in Firefox. It only takes a few clicks, and once you know where the import option is, the process becomes very simple. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.